The meeting of all stakeholders and the state government of Meghalaya was held in Shillong on the 23rd of February 2022. Various NGOs and civil society organizations were part of the meeting. While briefing newspersons after the meeting, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, informed that a report has been shared with the stakeholders during the meeting and about steps taken by both the governments of Assam and Meghalaya to reach a settlement on the border issues of 6 areas of differences.
The objective and the idea of this meeting today was really to give a bit more details about the basic understanding that Meghalaya and Assam have reached on the first 6 locations of the border dispute or the differences that we are having. And we have shared micro details, I should say, with them. We have not been able to give hard copies yet, but more or less I read out the entire details based on the principles that we have agreed on, and shared with them about which villages, which particular area, and what ethnicity in which area is there, how we decided on one particular location, one village, whether Tarabari, Gizang, Hahim, what was the way we didn't went forward, whether it's about Pilankata, Khanapara area or Ratache area. So we went into all those micro details and we have shared. The organizations had some concerns and they had again given us some more suggestions, and they have all stressed on the fact that the interests of the people living in the border should be maintained and they should be taken on board. They have also stressed that they would like to see the copy and have a copy, and I've told them that as soon as we are able to have the meeting with MHA, then at the appropriate time we will share the copy, for which, as I said, I've given full details to them. So we shared the report, and it was very positive because all the organizations have felt that it is time that we should find some solution to this, and we also expressed to them that there will never be a 100% perfect solution, but we will try to make it as best as possible so that the interest of the people of our state are not compromised in any way. And while we look at all those aspects, we need to try to come to a solution that is going to be acceptable. And as I said, more or less we shared that with them, and most of them expressed positivity in terms of the aspect that the government has at least taken the initiative to move forward, and they stress on the fact that the interests of the people of the state should not be compromised.
Speaking on the issue, the president of the Nyotrep National Youth Front (HNYF), Sadon Bla, informed that the meeting that was held today was not a consultative meeting but just a sharing of reports of the regional committees with all stakeholders.
So, saying that the meeting that we had today, there is a lack of clarity.
So how about, what's your next move? How do you intend to move forward?
Since the Chief Minister has committed that he will make available to us the report as soon as it is convenient, politically convenient for the state government, then we will when we have the report on hand, we'll have a perusal of the report, then we might be able to decide on those issues.
Are we to believe that this was a forceful decision without proper consultation with stakeholders? It's just a name to say that yes, we've consulted with stakeholders.
No, it seems that the meeting that government has invited us, it's not a kind of consultative meeting. It is a kind of to give us a hearing of what the government has carried out so far. It seems that there is a lack of proper consultation with the traditional headmen who are the appropriate owner as per our customary practice, who are the appropriate owner of this land that is in the border areas. And we are not sure whether the government has heard their voice fully or have heard the voice of the people fully. So it is not a consultative meeting, it is a meeting that just to give us a presentation and a hearing that what the steps the government is taking.
Thank you. Thank you.